welcome to our in-depth look at the 2026 BMW X3, a premium compact SUV that strikes the perfect balance between sportiness, luxury, and everyday practicality. The latest generation of the X3 brings sharper design, smarter tech, and a refined driving experience that stays true to BMW's core DNA. Whether you're a daily commuter or a spirited weekend driver, the 2026 X3 promises something exceptional. Let's dive into every feature that makes this SUV a standout in its class. Body panels. The 2026 BMW X3 showcases a bold and athletic profile, thanks to resculpted body panels that enhance both aerodynamics and aesthetics. Sharper character lines run from the hood through the sides, giving the vehicle a more assertive and planted stance. Made with a mix of lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel, these panels improve rigidity without adding unnecessary weight, aiding both performance and efficiency. Subtle design details, like flush door handles and blacked-out window surrounds on sport trims, bring a modern and upscale feel. Headlights. Up front, the new adaptive LED headlights with matrix technology come standard, offering a sharper, more technical look. These lights automatically adjust their beam pattern to avoid blinding other drivers while maximizing your visibility in all driving conditions. The signature BMW double L daytime running light pattern not only enhances visibility but also gives the X3 a futuristic gaze that stands out on the road. Optional laser light technology extends the lighting range for improved safety during high-speed night driving. Taillights. At the rear, the taillights are more sculpted and dynamic than before. Featuring a 3D light structure with LED elements, they create a striking visual signature that immediately identifies the vehicle as a BMW even in the dark. Sequential indicators and animated welcome, goodbye lighting effects add both functionality and flair, while the revised rear bumper integrates dual exhausts, or hidden ones, depending on the trim, for a cleaner, sportier finish. Grille. The kidney grille has been revised with a wider, more horizontal layout, giving the 2026 X3 a bolder face. It includes active grille shutters that automatically open or close depending on cooling requirements and speed, helping to reduce drag and improve fuel economy. With options for black high-gloss or chrome surrounds, the grille can be customized to fit either a sporty or elegant personality, depending on the trim level A from X-Line to M Sport. Seats. Inside, the X3 pampers occupants with multi-contour sport seats that strike the perfect balance between support and luxury. Covered in Sensitech or Vernask leather, the seats are available in a range of colors and stitching patterns, including bold contrast options for a more dynamic look. Both front seats come with heating, ventilation, and power adjustment with memory, while rear passengers benefit from increased legroom and optional heated outboard seating. The optional massage function elevates comfort during long drives. Dashboard. The dashboard follows BMW's driver-focused cockpit layout, with a clean, layered design and high-quality materials like brushed aluminum, open-pore wood, and soft-touch surfaces. Ambient lighting adds a soothing glow that can be customized in multiple colors. An all-digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster pairs seamlessly with the central infotainment display, creating a panoramic high-tech interface. Voice and gesture controls minimize distractions and put key functions at your fingertips. Infotainment system. At the heart of the cabin is BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, displayed on a 14.9-inch curved touchscreen with intuitive tile-based navigation. This system is faster, smarter, and more responsive than ever, offering cloud-based navigation, 5G connectivity, and personalized driver profiles. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a voice assistant activated by Hey BMW, and optional Bowers-Wilkins premium audio system for audiophiles. Over-the-air updates ensure your tech stays fresh and future-ready. Steering wheel. The new 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel is sporty and multifunctional, with haptic feedback buttons for seamless control over audio, navigation, and cruise settings. Heated steering is standard on upper trims, and the M Sport package adds contrast stitching and a thicker rim for better grip. Paddle shifters give the driver greater control over gear changes and sportier driving modes, enhancing engagement for those who crave more than just a relaxed cruise. Engine. The 2026 BMW X3 offers a range of engines, starting with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing approximately 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque. This base engine delivers brisk acceleration and refined power delivery, perfect for urban and highway use. For those craving more performance, the X3 M40i variant packs a 3.0-liter inline-6 with 48 volts mild hybrid tech, producing around 382 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4.5 seconds. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and offer xDrive AWD as standard or optional, depending on trim. Hybrid option. BMW expands its electrification efforts with the X3 xDrive 30e plug-in hybrid, offering up to 40 miles of electric-only range and a combined output of around 300 horsepower. This system blends electric motor smoothness with combustion engine confidence. Drivers can switch between hybrid, electric, and sport modes, optimizing performance or efficiency depending on the situation. It also qualifies for federal and state tax incentives in many regions, making it a smart eco-conscious option. Airbags. Safety is paramount, and the 2026 X3 comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of airbags, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags for both front occupants. New for 2026 is an interior center airbag between front seats to reduce injury risk in side-impact collisions. BMW's advanced crash sensor technology ensures optimal airbag deployment, and the rigid body structure provides high levels of passive safety in the event of a collision. Parking assist. Maneuvering in tight spaces is a breeze thanks to the X3's enhanced Parking Assistant Plus. This includes a 360-degree surround view camera, automated parallel and perpendicular parking, and a unique reversing assistant that remembers the last 150 feet of your path and automatically backs you out. With front and rear sensors, collision warning, and real-time path prediction, even the most crowded urban garages are manageable without breaking a sweat. Price. The 2026 BMW X3 starts at approximately $48,000 for the base xDrive 30i. The xDrive 30i adds all-wheel drive for a few thousand more. The plug-in hybrid xDrive 30e starts around $54,000, while the performance-focused M40i will cost closer to $62,000. Considering the technology, luxury, and driving dynamics packed into the X3, it's a strong value in the premium compact SUV segment, especially when configured to match your needs. And that concludes our full walk-around of the 2026 BMW X3, a versatile, tech-forward, and beautifully engineered SUV that delivers on every front: performance, comfort, safety, and efficiency. Whether you're looking for everyday practicality or dynamic thrills, the X3 continues to be a benchmark in its class. If you enjoyed this detailed look, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and insider previews of the latest models. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.